Dolly. You're sitting on Nanny's shoulder. Is that fun? Yeah. Oh, what you doing? Yeah, you're preening my hair. Ow! Don't bite. No bites. No bites. I love you, Dolly. Is that little people? There. Oh, 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 what's she trying to bite? Oh, don't bite me. Why? You could preen my hair, but don't bite me. Ah, pretty girl. Huh? Oh, yep, they're my glasses. Yes, they are. Do you like my glasses, Dolly? You like my top? Oops. Oh, no buddies. What about your cage? Back to your cage? Back to your house? Good girl. Good girl. Look, you're preening me. Oh, good girl, Dolly. Certainly like my hair. Oh, no, that was a bite. Don't bite. Don't bite me. There. So, see, good people, I come out of my little house. There. Well, hello, darling. What's you about to do? Looks like you're about to take off. He's looking around. There's so much to look at, isn't there? Different angles. Yeah, from the top there. What's up there? What can you see up there? Yeah, it's not usually there. There's a mattress there. It's usually your window. Like I said, guys, yeah, my son's moved in, so we've just got a few things all over the place, which is no big deal, but Dolly's a little bit, what's happening? What's happening? Hey, Dolly. Curious girl, aren't you? Yeah. We'll let you just chill there, Dolly. Say local people? Local people. Alright, we'll get going, will we? Just do a close-up. Gorgeous face, thank you. You're so cute. Love you, Dolly. Hey, Dolly, what are you doing on the microwave there? You flew over to the microwave. Oh, fine. Microwave meals, hey? Do you want to go back? You have to go back inside because your sister has to come out. Okay? Love you, Dolly. Say hello, good people. Oh, I won't zoom in, so there we go. Yeah, see how Dolly gets out and about. Alright, guys. Well, we'll make it a minute so we can get a little short. Hey, Dolly. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Dolly's a pretty girl. Thank you, Dolly. You say hello, good people? No? You can hear your sister. She needs the toilet, so we have to go back in our cage now, just for a little while, into our little house. Yeah? We don't want your sister thinking you're like breakfast. She's blind. Alright guys, love to all. Take care. Bye. Hi, Dolly. You had a big day today, didn't you? You had a little fly around the house. Watching TV now. Yeah? Did you enjoy that? Do you want to tell the good people about your fly around the house? And you sat on Nanny's shoulder. Peekaboo. Yes, I am. I'm playing peekaboo. Peekaboo, Dolly. Peekaboo. You tell the good people about your wonderful day flying around. Yeah, tell the good people. Yeah, you got to stretch your wings, you had a little fly. You had good times. Hey, oh, time for a snack. You want to tell the good people you had fish before? Yes, very happy birdie, aren't you? Alright, well you're eating, so you're having a TV snack. You're watching TV and having a snack. Alright, well give our love to the good people. Alright, bye guys, take care.